Hello everybody, welcome back to another Mac video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to enable voice to text or voice to type. It is very easy to do, and you can see it working right behind me as I'm talking here. I'm not typing anything. It is dictating basically exactly what I said and doing it for me. How did I set this up? Let me show you. It's simple. All right, I'm going to turn it off. First step, you want to go over to the left side on your Mac and click on the Apple. Then go down to System Settings. Once you're in System Settings, you want to go down and scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see Keyboard. Click on Keyboard. And now when you click on Keyboard, you get a few options, but the one that we're looking for is right here. By default, I'm going to turn this off, but by default, dictation is off. I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to enable it. I don't want to read the privacy statement. I already understand it. And then presto, now you can use dictation whenever you type or whenever you say anything, it's going to translate that into text. Now, in order to enable it, the other thing you have to be careful about is this one here, is the shortcut. Right now, I've got it set to the microphone, which is F5 for me, but some older versions have it set to pressing the function key twice. So either way, I'm going to leave it set here. I'm going to make sure the check mark is beside the microphone. I'm going to click out. And then I'm just going to start here with a fresh Microsoft Word. I'm going to press the F5 key. You'll see the microphone's popped up. And now, all of a sudden, it's working. So that's all there is to it, guys. Thanks for watching.